Okay, we're going to take a look at the Document Master digital file cabinets. This little program right here is just like it says. It is a digital file cabinet, just like a file cabinet you would have in your office with a bunch of file folders inside of it. But you can scan all of your paperwork, any miscellaneous paperwork, office paperwork, anything you want, and scan it in here and go paperless with it. But first thing you will do is create you some file categories. This be like your yellow envelopes that goes inside of a file folder, and they will all show up in the list here. First of all, click this button beside it and go through here and create any file categories that you may want in here. It could be trip documents, phone bills. Now, good thing about this, if maybe you want to scan all your monthly phone bill receipts or something like that, maybe put say like phone bills and then put the year that them were for. That way you can sort out, say, all the phone bills or truck bills, insurance payments, stuff like that per year. So do it like that. So you could maybe have the 2022 truck insurance, 2021, your DOT physicals for 2021, truck repair, anything you may want. You may want to, if you want to add a new one, don't type it in there first, just click the add new. So see, maybe you want to add TRUCK truck 001 documents or papers, PAPERS. So maybe this is all the paperwork that you want to save just for this truck, or maybe you have some trailers and you want to save all the paperwork pertaining to that truck. Say that what I'm saying is the bill of sale, or paperwork like that to it. But then just click OK. Once you do that, then it will show up in the category list. So like this one right here, this would be, say, truck insurance. Once you make a record, put a short description for that. So if this was maybe a truck insurance payment here for January, maybe put in January payment. And as you notice down at the bottom, this will be record 1 of 1. You have so many documents. Each record, it saves it as a PDF file when you enter information in here. So this is one record is one PDF file. So your next record, that was February payment up here for that. So that is one record. Now each record can have multiple pages. So it will show you over here page number, say 1 of 1. So if you have multiple pages for this one record, you could use these navigation buttons to go into them. But to use this right here, we will click, like you want to enter in a new record, just click new record. Click your category. Say maybe this might be some special repair work you did, and come down to the short description. Repair. Just fix something. And then what you want to do is, if you have copies of the receipt or whatever and you want to scan them in with your scanner, go ahead and load them in your scanner. If you have a multi-sheet scanner, if you have multiple sheets of that receipt, just load them all in there and click scan. This will open up. If you have multiple scanners, you can pick which one you want here. Just click it. And then your scan source will open up. Yours may look different than this. It just depends on what brand of printer scanner you have. But pick, as far as the resolution and stuff, pick text. Put the resolution as 300 and black and white. That will make that PDF file as small as you can get it right here. But it's still clear. And then just click scan. Take just a second and it'll load all your documents in there and scan them. And if you have multiple pages, it'll scan all of them at one time. So once you scan them, there they are. And now you see you're on record 4, and this is page 1 of 2. So then you can navigate right there, and it'll click over to page 2, page 1, right there. And then you can open this if any of them you want. If you want to open it up in Adobe Reader, and you can do a little more with it, just click the open with Adobe Reader. Or if you need to print this back out, a hard copy, back on your printer, just click Print Document. You can zoom in if you needed to. If you see something you can't read real close, you can zoom in, or you can zoom out, or if you want to go back to the regular size, just click Zoom to Width, and it will go back there. You can put your mouse pointer in there and just hold your mouse pointer down and move it up and down or around, or use the little slider on the side over here. Okay, then you can add. Then while you're on this one record, if you want to add another sheet of paperwork to this one record, you can either click the Add Page from File if you have a copy of a PDF file already on your computer, or if you want to scan another document to go in with this record right here. Now don't click, if you own a record you want to add some more, don't click the Load File or Scan. It'll override what you already have. So if you wanted, say if you had another piece of paperwork you wanted to add to this one, and you had it on the computer, just click Add Page from File. This is going to open up your file directory, and you can go find that document and just click on it and then click Open. And it just added it in there, which that one there actually had 2 more pages with it. So now you have 1 of 5 in here. So that's the way to do that. Or so like say if you had a paper, another one that you needed to scan in here, just click Add Page from Scan. Then it will add it to it. Another thing you can do here is say Find Documents. Once you have a whole bunch of records in here and you need to find a particular one, click the Find Documents. And this will open up a document list. And you can sort them out. So after you have a whole bunch of records in here, and say if you want to find particular ones, you can say sort by category. So say maybe you want to find all of your insurance documents from 2021. Click that, and that's going to sort out just all of your insurance documents for 2021. And then whichever one you need to go look at, just click the little button to the left, and that will go back and pull up that one record right here. Go back, find them all. So you want to find that truck repair. There it is, that one truck repair. It goes back and it pulls that one record up. You may have a document on here that you need to email somebody for some reason. Just go to that record and click the Email Doc. It's going to automatically attach that PDF file already to your email. All you got to do is put in the email address who you want to send it to, a subject, a message, click Send. It's going to email them this one document right to them there. So this scan document features here works the same way through the whole program. Anywhere that you can scan documents in, it works the same way. Just click New Record, Scan, or Load. That's the first thing you will do, either load the document or scan the document. Then if you want to add a page to this record, you will click Add Page from File or Add Page from Scan. That's going to add it to this record. And remember, each record is one PDF file. And in that one PDF file, you may have one or many pages. So like I say, it saves everything as a PDF file. But this is the Document Master Digital File Cabinet, and all of these scanning features in this works the same way throughout the whole program.